Hi, welcome to Sonny's, the Car Wash Factory. I'm Bob Fox with Car Wash College. Today I want to review the maintenance on our silencers to ensure they're delivering the performance that you need. Before we start, make sure to get a copy of the owner's manual, which you can download at sonnysdirect.com. Review all the safety information related to this procedure. Next, gather the tools and supplies you'll need, safety glasses, and an 8-foot step ladder. Now, let's get started.
Perfect.
I'm up here with one of our new Sonny silencers, which has really removed a lot of noise from our dryers. There's not a lot of maintenance to do with these silencers, but weekly, you want to make sure you get up on a ladder and you take a look at the foam inside to make sure everything is still intact. And of course, we want to make sure that nothing has got sucked up into our venturi and into our impellers through here. No plastic bags are clinging to the screen, et cetera, and blocking the airflow. There you have it. When you're looking to service your silencers, just make sure they're free of debris. And there you have it. Keeping up with this and all preventative maintenance at the car wash helps eliminate unscheduled downtime and ensures you're delivering a consistent wash experience that'll make raving fans of your customers. Thanks for watching. For more frequently asked car wash maintenance questions, visit us at sonnysdirect.com/FAQ. I hope to see you in the Car Wash College classroom real soon. And as always, good luck and good washing.